What's going on guys, today we're gonna be showing you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Don't worry, we are not using any third-party software to achieve this. This feature is official and inbuilt to your Windows 10 operating system. Anybody with an updated Windows 10 copy can have this feature turned on straight away. Before we begin the actual tutorial, let me introduce you to the Windows 10 dark mode. Starting with Windows 10 build 1809, you can enable dark mode for File Explorer and similar things in the Windows interface, which is the features that users have been requesting for quite a long time. Dark themes are becoming more popular than ever before. It's been really useful for those who are operating their system in a darker environment or staring at their screens for a longer time period. By enabling dark mode, you don't have to look at those overexposed or eye-straining white backgrounds anymore, at least when you're on your system interface. It literally saves your eyes, as well as I found it helpful when it comes to workflow or productivity. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to your settings, personalization, navigate to the colors tab. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see the dark option under the default app mode section. As you can see, now you're successfully enabled the dark mode. By enabling Windows 10 dark mode or night mode, Windows will apply a muted black background or theme to its interface. Like you can see the changes that happen to the settings, search box, right click menu, File Explorer. Even it supports programs from third parties such as Chrome or Firefox. But you can see only the search bar and the nearby things are adapted to the Windows 10 dark mode. But this is not the thing we are always looking when we browse something. It is the website and you can see it's still overexposed in their white backgrounds. If you're interested, there is a similar dark mode feature for Chrome alone. It's also available for Firefox as well. By doing that, you can take things to another level. You can browse any website in Google Chrome with a darker background. If you're looking forward to try something like that, I strongly recommend watching my other video on how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. Link is available in the video description as always. If you're really into something like a dark mode or theme, I recommend you to enable dark mode in both your Windows 10 and your browser, which will give you a nearly perfect dark mode experience, at least for now. So that's how you can enable dark mode on your Windows 10 PCs, laptops,